Insta360 has just launched Insta360 Pro 2, a professional VR camera that includes 6 cameras and separate lenses on a dial to record 360-degree 3D videos at 8 kelvins per eye. The 6 built-in cameras capture each angle of each scene at a time, and the photos and videos can be merged into 2 8K 360 images, one for each of the viewer's eyes for an immersive 3D virtual reality. The shooting modes of the camera include 8K 3D at 30 fps, 8K monoscopic at 60 fps, 6K 3D at 60 fps and 4K 3D at 120 fps, and more. Even if the lighting of a scene is drastically different depending on the angle you're looking at, a new HDR function in the camera helps even out the lighting in the resulting photos and videos to maintain its natural appearance. The iLog mode also provides flexibility to color images in post-production. The Pro 2 features flow state stabilization, for the first time, bringing a stabilization system in the high-quality camera to professional virtual reality, says the company. Instead of using bulky stabilization equipment, Pro 2 users can rely on the ultra-precise gyroscope that tracks 9-axis camera movement. During post-production, the footage can be automatically stabilized up to 1 hair. In addition to recording, the Pro 2 can also do 360 transmission in 4K while capturing 8K at the same time it is broadcasting. The Insta360 Pro 2 has an integrated Adobe Premiere Pro workflow that uses a low-resolution proxy version along with real-time footage to get quick and convenient previews.